India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
आज सद्याक कितें जालां सद्याक केसीस आर इंक्रीजिंग सो आय वूड लायक टू नो कितें जाता वॉट डे डू स्पीकर सर केस जाली काय ना सगळे आपयताय लोक आपयता म्हणटा थिंगा फॉगींग कर म्हूण बट ते फॉगींग बरें इफेक्टीव जायना सो इफेक्टीव जायना म्हूण पोत्तून लोक हें करता कॉलर्स बॅक एगेन कितें केलां तेणें कांय केलें ना बेश्टे येयले आनी गेले म्हूण
आमचे फाटले 3-4 दीस काणकोणाक मोठे प्रमाणात डेंग्यूचे केसीस वाडपाक लागले सर त्यामुळे तुम्ही हांगासर कोण तुमचे डायरेक्टर बाकी मॉनिटरिंग डायरेक्शन दिवपाची आवश्यकता आसा
All his questions are around that. So,
that is required first.
Honorable Chief Minister, myself, all of us will sit together and see that his hospital is taken forward. I think.
पूण म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन तें वन वेरविताल ना आनी सेकंड लोकांची फेथ ना म्युनिसिपालिटी जे फॉगिंग करतले तातूंत हें म्हणटलें इट्स अ वेक्टर बोर्न डिजीज सो बेसिकली जळार मरपाक जाय आतां तातूंत एक्सपर्टायज कोणा कडेन आहा हेल्था कडेन आहा
You take some 10 workers minimum, give it to your health department only and ask them to go on a larger scale. That will solve the problem.
Speaker sir, I will whatever has been suggested will be implemented. I will talk to DMA immediately after the questionnaire and we'll take it forward.
Do you permit your health centers to employ for 2 months, 3 months directly on contract or whatever daily wages people to fog the rural areas?
Apart from fogging, I believe that when a person has dengue or has been administered, you have to monitor the platelets. And basically, a papaya extract medicine is administered and temperature check kode. Now, when the platelet count, because when we do normal CBC, a complete blood count, anything below 1.5 lakh or 1 lakh, that is when the doctors hit the panic button. Now, there is a practice in JMC, I believe, that they go up to 40,000, 50,000 of the platelet count. That sometimes leads to bleeding.
What you have mentioned is a very valid issue. I had a couple of patients and all where the platelet count drops during dengue. And as a result of which that has to be properly monitored. So this, I assure you that I will keep a proper check.
Fogging is not the solution, म्हाका दिसता. आनी हाच्या खातीर आमी सोर्स पळय आसा तोच पयलो कट करपा जाय. म्हाका याद जाता की जेन्ना हांवूय कावन्सिलर आशिल्लो आमी घरांनी वचून तो सोर्स बंद करताले.
But I think the best solution is the main problems what we have seen now in the villages is जे poultries आसा आणि जे piggeries आहा हे piggeries आणि poultries they are somehow the main cause of dengue that is coming out in the villages. We have seen few complaints.